simulation has become an essential tool that every engineer can now use. That's because when you use simulation, you can evaluate decisions as you make them, and create more opportunities to improve performance and reduce the likelihood of failure. With the Product Design and Manufacturing collection, you have access to a wide range of simulation tools, including nonlinear, thermal, fatigue, and vibration analyses that all work right inside your CAD software. Linear analysis is helpful and often included, but it is limited to static loads and a material model that is only appropriate for metal. On the other hand, nonlinear studies eliminate several limitations. They provide advanced material models specific for plastic, rubber, or foam. Choosing the appropriate material is essential to produce accurate results. Determining stress and deflection provides insight to design integrity, but does it tell the entire story? Is it possible your design may buckle at some point as the load is applied? This can only be checked by running a linear or nonlinear buckling study type. They have the power to provide you with the maximum load your design can handle before it loses stiffness or undergoes catastrophic failure. Even animate the load to gain a full understanding of the behavior of your components. And if there is an issue, changes can be made based on the results from the solution. And remember, the same study types you set up can simply be run again the moment your models have been updated, all in one interface. The advanced simulation tools included in the Product Design and Manufacturing collection help you to gain valuable feedback on your design decisions early in the process, giving you more opportunities to reduce cost and validate performance.